Here comes a simple way to make a gold text effect. At first, create a new text using the Type tool, white color, and choosing the font style that you like. For a better visibility, use the Paint Bucket tool to fill the background using black color. Now, go to the Layers tab, select the text layer, click on the right mouse button and select Blending Options. Check Gradient Overlay and in the options to the right, click on Gradient to change its color. In the opened panel, look for Presets and click on Copper Presets. You can't find it. Click on little cog to the presets right and choose Metal. Then Apply. Once you got the copper preset, click OK as it is. In the blend mode, select Multiply and check Pattern Overlay. Now click on Pattern and choose Clouds. Set the scale to something like 200%. On blend mode, select Multiply and set the opacity to 50%. Check Color Overlay. In the blend mode, select Soft Light and set the color to number F2C81E. It's almost done. Check Bevel and Emboss. In the options under Style, choose Inner Bevel, and under Technique select Smooth. Click on OK to confirm the style changes. Thanks for watching.